stop that?
Officers have lost sight of the suspect. Code 4, all units return to patrol.
Hey, y'all, break out y'all breakfast cereal and milk, you bitches. We got hip-hop coming all day long. Here we go. We keeping it real right here on Carson Avenue. East side, west side, south side, yeah, West Coast.
Hey, baby, get some bubble gum in this motherfucker.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D or Double G, but I somehow, some way keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day. May I kick a little something for the cheese and make a few ends as I breeze through 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't home. I got bitches in the living room getting it on and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the doors. But what? We don't let it home. Yeah. So we gon' smoke an ounce to this. G's up, hoes down, while you motherfuckers bounce to this. Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and pills.
Laid back.
I don't get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. You're disgusting. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, boo? What you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough For a car like this?
Wait a second.
This guy right here, him, get him a hybrid. That's a real man's car.
I think you are right, Lamar. You get a tax rebate. I understand. Money is an issue, eh?
Money isn't an issue.
This is the best part. Watch this when he reel him in. He gonna get all his full money. Watch this.
Look, man, I gotta go. Hey, Simeon, I'm out. I'll holler at you, homie.
It's the best part, man.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie? This chump change. How I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch if I ain't got a fat Pizzaki?
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise. With all that ass, nigga, she got ass.
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's sexy.
Sexy? She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Oh, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
All right, you're on the lab. Who's calling in?
Shit, it's the official. MC8. What's cracking, man? I thought this was the G station. Y'all with the moonbeams and quasars, man. Play some gangsta shit. Play some Welcome in Los Santos.
Man, you gotta get down with science, bro. Do you know that the Andromeda
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
course with Earth in 30 million years? Hey, bye.
Man, I ain't with the galaxies and the stars. Play some G shit. Welcome to...
What's up? Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.
Oh, nigga, don't hate me because I'm beautiful, nigga. Maybe if you got rid of that old yee-yee ass haircut you got, you get some bitches on your dick. Oh, better yet, maybe Tanisha will call your dog ass if she ever stop fucking with that brain surgeon and lawyer she fucking with, nigga.
What? Oh, motherfucker.
Ooh, honey. Y'all telling me? Oh, he here. We living on top of each other, and it ain't right. Shoo! Shoo! Get on out of here! Okay, baby. I see you at the thing. You hear? I was on the phone, boy. Don't be listening. Goddamn freeloader.
Read all about it. Read all about it. Soviet spies corrupting the nation. Read all about it. Communists ruining your family. Sleeping with your wife. Pleasuring her better than you ever could. Read all about it.
Gordon, I'm right here. We're on TV now. Besides, we moved to the West Coast. We don't need napalm anymore. Unless we're clearing up.
They're selling the junk that the junkies are shooting into their veins. Families love sports almost as much as they love fame. Flash, hair, competitive dresses, they are lifelong enemies. Wearing the colors of the supporters, the families call themselves Team Green. Of course, like all families, they
Are you cooking for me tonight, boy?
Is it the anti-gravity gun again? Shit novels.
No, we've been shot with the anti-narrative gun. This episode makes no sense.
I'm gonna have a gentleman calling later,
So I'm just gonna send her
so make yourself scarce.
How come you smell so Asian that you look so Caucasian?
Why you got to make all that racket?
No time to explain, dog.
Hey, what's up, little man? What's going on?
Franklin!
Hey, what's going down,
The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list.
All right, dog. I'll be around when I get a chance.
Nah, bruh. I ain't busting my ass out here so you can bang with me and get shot.
That's dumb luck right there. Shit! You hit me! Man, sorry about that.
phone lines are lighting up. Let's see who's the next caller. What's up, y'all? Yo, who's this?
Jermaine Renegade, Weapon LC.
What's up, Jermaine? You on the lab? What's up?
Liberty City, baby. You already know. I'm over here jumping around naked. What's good?
Okay, he's jumping around naked. What's going on, Renegade?
Yo, I'm just trying to kick that Willy Bobo, you feel me? I gotta turn that beat off.
Okay, there's a beat.
I can't really hear myself think.
Yo, turn that beat off. Turn that beat off.
Yo,
All right, let's go. Renegade.
I can't hear myself breathe. I can't hear myself function.
All right, okay, it's on you. Get it, Renegade. This is your time. Go.
Yo, listen. My hair, you would swear I was Colombian. My eyes, Native American. My face,
Alright, serious? Yo, that shit is garbage.
Get your ass bullshit.
Man. Listen.
Yo, I've been listening to you guys for mad long, guys. You know,
I fuck with you.
Yeah. New album dropping.
Okay.
Oh, God!
Fuck that shit. Shit. Oh. Go on, man.
And I remain. And I remain. And I remain. And I remain.
Bad diets come and go, but with the Extreme Paleo TM diet, you not only eat free-range animals, you stalk and kill them too. And that includes your neighbors. Raid beehives, trap wild turkeys. Breakfast just got a whole lot more real. Enjoy the benefits of a hunter-gatherer lifestyle when both women and mammoths were woolly. Finally, you can stop worrying about cholesterol and follow in the footsteps of our ancestors who were also threatened by rising sea levels and plagues, but didn't have the worry and stress of gluten and the internet. Extreme Paleo TM is a trademark back-to-nature diet system that's worth paying a fortune for. Your starter pack includes a free t-shirt and an authentic Extreme Paleo TM hunting spear. Extreme Paleo TM is a registered trademark.
That's the
Sorry, little dude.
Let's have some more music. She said the guy now different eye. She say I be a dry food in my body. I mean, say she not tell lie. This a one yeah the truth. When I'm a type me don't talk and them want show. All work enough for man straighten up road. Eat a whip of vegetable, eat a lip of fruit. Stop down at the man with the doctor fish soap. Check out the man with a boy the good low. Girl them a come in a bumble and blow. Come and cut off me belt and tear off me low. And cry for the dignity with them at the door. If I 12 further, you must say a soap. Walking up in line and straighten up low. 14 a time for the dough. Understand fish and good upper slow. Any girl when me get a fi give me gun salute. And I talk say how she want come the road. And I talk say how the youth them cute. And I talk say how she love me for true. Me never get shot a bet. Me never get shot a bet. Me never get shot a bet. She say me better than a pack of cigarette. What you say? Better than pack of cigarette. She say me better than a pack of cigarette. Me never get shot at bed. She say me better than a, this a one yard fuck. Girl say I did not even sun so hot. Not even fire when you put on the pot. Not even that can follow where you got. We a play cricket and a me have the bat. You and the rabbit and a me have carrot. King see the snake and a ball out for that. All get easy, she a see polka dot. All you a ball, you want to get flat. Something a fi fly well like a rat bat. All if you want fly well like parrot. Baby, you're maga, but you're still fat. Attitude up, the girl, you think shot. I'll do a bit of bleach, you know the thing black. Tick it and tap, you broke alarm clock. Climb on the mountain, girl, you're not drop. You fi pull up the love, me want it from top. Me never get shot a bet. Me never.